Showing holidays on your Google Pixel calendar helps you stay informed about important days off and plan your schedule accordingly, whether it's for personal time, travel, or avoiding business conflicts. If you recently opened the calendar app and didn't see any holidays, then here's how you show it. Pull up the app drawer. Look for the Google Calendar, which comes pre-installed on your Pixel phone, and then tap on it when found. Once opened, look for the hamburger icon in the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. This will show you a bunch of options. Under your account, look for holidays and then put a check in the box. This will show you the holidays in your region. Now, there are times when the calendar app freezes when showing holidays, and if that's the case, you just need to force stop the app and reopen it. To do that, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop in the middle. Look for the calendar preview and then swipe up on it. This will close the app, and after that, reopen it and it should work properly. It should also show the holidays in your region. We hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching.